I'm going to be putting some soundproofing material into my BMW X1 F48 chassis. So I'm going to do it in two stages. The first one, first things, I will just put it in the wheel arch on all four wheels first. And I'm just going to be using this sound absorption material, which is it's supposed to be a 10 mil closed cell foam. What I'll do first is jack up the car and then remove the wheel, take the wheel arch out, and then stick on the inside of the wheel arch. I'll take it for a drive and compare it with the sound before. Okay, now with the wheel out, I'm gonna remove this plastic wheel arch cover. So these ones here, you remove the center, you gotta pull that out, and then that just comes out like that. There's a few of them around here, and then that's a 10 mil nut, this there, and these are 8mm screws that I'll have to undo. There's a bunch of them all around, and there's some down here as well. So I've got the wheel arch out now. There it is there, and it looks like there is some kind of sound deadening material from factory here, all along here and around here as well. So I won't touch any of that, I'll just leave that alone. All I'm going to do is clean the wheel arch and then put that sound absorption material on it. Let me fix this, get some sun in here. So I'll just clean these, hose it down. Maybe dishwashing detergent just to clean this so that it's all nice and clean. I'll do that to all four wheels. So just on the side here, there is this big thick foam thing here. I'm guessing that's part of the factory soundproofing or sound deadening. This is quite thick. The clips that were on this side of the car, I just realized this guard I haven't removed before, so they had the original, whereas the other side I did remove before for some other work. But this one, these clips here are actually single use, so they actually break when you take them out. They just snap. There's no way to take it out without breaking. So this is the rear wheel arch. It also uses these single-use clips, and this is not plastic, this is some kind of fiber. I don't know if the sound absorption material will actually stick, so I've chosen not to remove this and do any soundproofing on this material or part of the wheel arch itself, because when I do under the body, I'm just gonna go inside the wheel arch and do the sound deadening and soundproofing. So I won't modify this back part at all. So I've got this nice and clean and dried, and now I've just cut a 34cm wide piece, and I'm just peeling the back as I'm going. I started from here and I've just cut a hole as I'm going up, just like here. I just did a crisscross and I'm peeling this back as I go up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this thing here just peels back, and it's just a stick on. So I've covered as much as I can, and now I'll put it back and take it for a drive and see if just these two wheel arches make any difference.